Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Exness Trading Calculator. The Exness Trading Calculator can help you calculate your trades based on your set parameters like account type, account trading instruments and all of that. To access the Exness Trading Calculator, you simply go to the Exness website, which is www.exness.com, and then you click on Tools, and then you click on Trading Calculator. Now it's going to open and you try to fill up all what you have here. You try to fill them up. Now the first one we have there is saying account type. The account type, you need to click on the type of account you're making use of. Okay, as for me, I'm making use of the standard account. You click on the account currency. For me, it is USD. Then you click on the instrument you want to trade, which is XAU which is gold. Then they click on the lot size 0.01 and then the leverage. Now the leverage I'm making use of is 1:2000. Then you click on calculate. Now when you click on calculate, it's going to give you a result. The result is we have margin, spread cost, commission, swap short, swap long, and peep value. Now what does margin mean? The margin means that is the amount you need to have in your account. Okay, so the margin is simply the amount in the account currency required to open a trade. Now the spread cost simply means the difference between the bid price, that is the price at which you can sell an asset, and the asking price, which is the price at which you can buy an asset. Okay, so spread cost simply means the fee you pay indirectly to the broker for executing a trade. The swap short simply means the interest earned or paid for keeping a sell position overnight. The swap long means the interest earned or paid for keeping a buy position overnight. Then the pip value means the profit or loss per pip movement in price. Okay, so that's what you do. The next time you want to open a trade, okay, you need to have an idea how much you would require in your to have in your account to open that trade. For example, I can also change the instrument to GBP USD. I change it to GBP USD with the same parameters. Okay, it's going to show me. I'm click on it now for it to calculate, and then I have 0.6. So with 62 cents I can open a trade on GBP USD. That's very beautiful. Okay, I can try one more. I can try USD JPY with the same parameter. Okay, I click on calculate. Now it's going to show me that the same thing with 62 cents. I can open a trade on USD JPY. So that's that about that. And then I hope you've learned something today. I'll see you in the next video.